I made a mistake. What's up, Gryffindors and non-Gryffindors? It's Griff back at it again. So guys, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be explaining how my first ever dropshipping store went. If you don't know what dropshipping is, or you're not interested in this video at all, skip it. Come back on Monday. The videos will be back to normal, or somewhat normal. Before I start, I'm going to explain a little bit how I got into dropshipping and how I found out about it. It's actually very simple. I was on YouTube. I saw a suggested video and it said how I made something amount of money in so many days at the age of 16. So I was curious because at 16, I think I was only making like $7 an hour at Staples. And it got me wondering how that kid did that. So I watched the video. He said he was a dropshipper. So I was like, huh, this seems simple enough. I could actually do this. I just got to find somebody to promote my store, make sure I'm selling the proper stuff, and that's it. Now, the problem is on YouTube is that when you watch these videos, all everybody shows is the good. They never show the bad and how they start, at least what I've seen. If you've seen differently, let me know. But I'm going to share my experience right now. I started a store. I followed all the instructions. I actually watched a couple different YouTubers explain how they opened their store, what they did, research. I actually researched for the entire week. I spent 12 hours making my store, making sure everything was up to par, and I was ready to go. I found a social media influencer. I'm not going to get into all the details on what my store is about, what influencer I found, stuff like that. Maybe we'll save that for another video if eventually it works and I'll see a huge profit. I started the store. I paid the social media influencer to promote my store. I was like, sweet. Oh my God, I'm going to make like 10 G's in the first day. It's going to be insane because there's 600,000 people that follow this account, and the truth be told, hours went by, actually 24 hours, and well, actually I lost profit. I truly made about 40 bucks, but I paid about $85 for promotions on 2 different pages, so we lost money. It actually taught me a lot. So we didn't lose a lot knowledge-wise, because we gained a lot knowledge-wise on what we did wrong and what we're gonna do differently next time. That's not one thing I like doing, is losing money, so we're gonna have to do something a little different next time, and I figured out what. Most of you are still probably watching this and wondering, Griff, what the hell is dropshipping? Look it up. There's a bunch of videos. It is like a new way to make money, I guess, and I recently just heard about it. But apparently some people have been doing it for a little while. Who knows? We're eventually gonna get where they are. Trust me, we're gonna. I'm determined. I'm a persistent son of a I don't give up until I see progress. Take this YouTube channel, for example. We're not big on YouTube, but we're getting there. So, Gryffindors and non-Gryffindors, that's going to do it for this video today. If this did help you out and this makes you think about dropshipping and see if you want to dropship or finding out what dropshipping is, make sure to smash that thumbs up button down below. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button to keep up on my progress. You guys will see how it goes and we can grow together. And maybe, who knows, if you have any hints or advice for me, let me know. Message me, comment it below, whatever you got to do. So, I will definitely see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.